Today I want to talk about something that probably most of us bearded guys have had to ask before, and that is, should you use beard oil or beard balm? How do you choose between these two products? What are the benefits and disadvantages of each of them? And ultimately, which one is going to fit in best for you and your beard care routine? Beard oil, which we all probably know because it's probably, if not the most popular beard product out there on the market, is a blend of essential and carrier oils that is designed to moisturize and hydrate the beard hair and the skin underneath it. And in doing so, it's supposed to help relieve some itchiness, some dryness, some irritation, redness, or even flaking that may happen in a dry beard. Beard balm, on the other hand, is a much thicker product because it not only includes some of these oils, but it combines them with things like butters and waxes. The purpose of this is not only to hydrate and moisturize the beard, but also to provide you some styling benefits. So what are really the differences between these two products, and which one should you consider for your grooming routine based on a variety of factors? Well, let's first talk about consistency and texture. Beard oil is light and easily absorbed by beard hair, usually, if you get a high quality one. It's perfect for those who want like a non-greasy, quick application kind of product that'll add some instant hydration to the beard hair and the skin. Beard balm, on the other hand, is much more thick and solid because it blends in those things like shea butter and waxes. And it's perfect for those who want kind of the combined abilities of beard oil and something like beard and mustache wax, which is a styling product. Now let's talk about the different ingredients you can find in each of these. Beard oil often is combined with carrier oils and essential oils. Essential oils will give it the fragrance. Carrier oils like argan oil and babassu oil is going to actually be what hydrates the beard. And that is pretty much all that beard oil does. Whereas beard balm is going to combine some of these oils like argan oil, babassu oil, whatever, with things like shea butter, kapaku butter, beeswax, things like that add the thickness and the ability for you to help style your beard hair. With this being said, beard oil is going to be best for someone who has issues with maybe their beard being too dry in the first place. For example, someone with an itchy or maybe even scratchy, stiff beard is going to like using beard oil because it gives some pretty instant relief, hydration, and softness to those symptoms. Beard balm does also provide some of that hydrating, but it combines that with the styling benefits of waxes. And because of this, it tends to be better for medium to longer beards that do really suffer from having wild beard hairs everywhere. But because of the thicker consistency, it is also harder to spread and get some of that hydration to the skin underneath the beard as well. So is beard oil or beard balm right for you? Let's go through some different factors and different stages in someone's beard growing journey that may help you decide. Starting with new beard growers. New beard growers out there are definitely going to want to stick to something like beard oil. This is because new beard growers usually don't have the length in their beard to really need the styling and the hold that beard balm provides, but it's also because new beard growers who are unused to the way beards feel are usually particularly sensitive to that itchiness and that scratchiness that beards just happen to have. Now, if you have short to medium length beards, then beard oil is still a very solid option. However, if you're on more of the medium length side and you do notice that you tend to have some flyaways or your beard is maybe hard to manage, you might consider balm only if you feel like you can benefit from the added control that it gives you. Now, if you have longer and thicker beards, then beard balm is definitely going to be your best friend. You will get the hydration and the moisturizing benefits of beard oil, but with the styling and control that your beard at that point probably definitely needs. Now let's talk about if you suffer from just dry skin in general. Maybe your beard behaves the way you're happy with, or maybe your beard isn't particularly dry itself, but the skin underneath is dry. What should you use? In this case, both products can kind of help, but you're probably going to lean more on the side of beard oil just because it's easier, since it's less viscous than beard balm, to get through the beard hairs and into the skin underneath your beard. That being said, if let's say you don't really need any of the hydrating benefits, maybe you need a little, but you're more concerned about the way your beard looks, how it's styled, how neat it looks, then you're definitely going to want to stray more towards beard balm. But it's really the only of these two products that provides any of the styling that you're probably looking for. If you're looking for something stronger, I would maybe recommend beard and mustache wax, although that provides no hydrating benefits and it's all style. Ultimately, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. We got tons more videos out here for you guys, and if you have any questions about certain beard products or men's grooming products or anything like that you'd like to know more about, then you're definitely going to want to put those in the comments section below so I know what to make future videos about. If you guys are curious about getting your own beard balm or beard oil, I'll have links to Volt's beard balm and beard oil, all natural, no plastic in the packaging, that kind of thing, in the description. I just want to say again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.